In this video, I am going to show you how to add cancel reason when you cancel any maintenance request in Odoo. So let's go to the maintenance request. I am going to cancel this maintenance request. Click on cancel button. System will ask me to enter a cancel reason. So let's enter a valid cancel reason. Now click on the cancel button. So maintenance request is successfully cancelled and cancel reason is linked with this maintenance request. You can also see that cancel reason is updated into the chatter also. So if you want to include this feature into Odoo, just install our application named Dev Maintenance Cancel Reason. Thank you for watching. For more such video, stay connected.